Continuing on with CNC group break number 1588, we have the 1980s decade and the BTP 1112. Start off for the Los Angeles Kings, Luc Robitaille, 100 years. A rookie for the St. Louis Blues, Joe Mullen. For the Edmonton Oilers, Dynasty, Yari Curry. For the Winnipeg Jets, which then goes to the Phoenix Coyotes, Randy Carlyle. Game used jersey black. Randy Carlyle. For the Boston Bruins, game used jersey silver, Ray Bourque. For the St. Louis Blues, Decades 80 rookie jersey, silver, Doug Gilmour. For the Boston Bruins, Gary Cheevers. Jerry. Rob McLennan, Team USA. Do you remember what team he played for?
He might not be. Might be a random.
That might be a 28-person random.
It's not a name I recognize.
Rob McLennan. And Matt Naslund for the Montreal Canadiens.
Rob McLennan.
Does anyone know, is Rob McClanahan a random? I think it's the most one we've ever had watching vlog. It's awesome.
Oh.
2 people.
Both of them.
Live in person. We got like 5 online right now, so. For the Rangers?
He played for 3 teams for finding most games.
Oh, here's a good one. Matt Murray. Game used jersey, Matt Murray. We'll figure that one out. Somebody knows what team he played on, that would be great.
Or team he's drafted for.
Or team he's drafted for, Matt Murray. Carolina on the Matt Murray. There you go, Carolina. Whew. Exhilarating. All right. Where is the stuff in this box? This is a winning pack now. Difficulties opening it. There you go. For the Montreal Canadiens, 10th anniversary, Carey Price. The Rob McClanahan was a New York Rangers hit. Masked Men, Jerry Cheevers. So Rangers for sure, eh? Rangers. We have an autograph. Dan Bouchard. We'll find out. Someone will let me know. Georges Vezina for the Montreal Canadiens. Dan Bouchard is Calgary Flames. Dan Bouchard. There we go. I'd be learning. Masked Men for the Ottawa Senators. Craig Anderson silver version. Silver. For the Los Angeles Kings, Rogie Vachon. Oh, man. Mac Engel.
see the name.
Game used jersey, Mac Angel. This is one of those boxes that just not good for me. Oh, I got 3 autos and 3 mems. Don Beaupre for the Minnesota North Stars versus Dallas Stars. Yeah, this box is not the greatest. Does anyone know who Mac Angel played for? For the Rangers, Henrik Lundqvist. Masked Men.
Is he drafted?
Drafted. Oh, I'm trying to grab. That's it. More coming up after this.